Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So we're going to check on my urban worm bag by the Urban Worm Company, and I absolutely love this bag. It's doing well. So let's see how the worms are doing. So in here I have red wigglers and European Nightcrawlers growing in here. And I could tell that there are young babies in here. Look at that youngster. How cute. They're doing great though. I do need to wet it down. I love this bag. I know a lot of people have it too. The worms are doing great though, but they definitely need more moisture. The pumpkin I had put in here is like really, it's gone. Only the dead seeds are in here. You know what I want to add to this system? Let's add some African Nightcrawlers in here. And let's see what's going to happen. And then we're going to give them worm chow. And let's just see what happens. So let me go get some water and then we're going to wet them down. So before anything else, guys, press that subscribe button. Give me the thumbs up. I really appreciate you watching. I'm trying to get to those watch hours that I need. So let's add some straw. This is just clean straw that I buy in these giant bags at Tractor Supply. Just gonna mix it in. Now I will tell you, the one worm that absolutely loves straw, at least in my experience, is the European Nightcrawler. It just loves straw. Especially when it's nice and wet and it gets like broken down. Man, they go crazy. So the water that I add to my bins is made with mosquito dunks. Let me go get the water. Plus I always make sure, guys, that I have a tray at the bottom. So I take 1/4 of a mosquito dunk, okay? This is a tip for you. And I soak it in my big bucket of water. And after a few days, I use it. And that helps to keep those nasty flying insects at bay. I rarely have a problem in here. Especially when I started using the mosquito dunks. Mosquito dunks are also, it's like a natural bacteria. They're not going to hurt your worms. Don't worry. But, you know, if you don't want, like, those little gnats that fly around that are terrible, it'll take care of all those little things that fly. So, that's what I do. And I rarely have any problems. And if I add too much water to this, I can always add some dry bedding to soak it up. And then the bin at the bottom will take care of any excess. But this is dry and it's been needing a good soaking. And that's what we're giving it. So I hope you enjoy my videos. I watch a lot of worm farmers. A lot. Lately, a lot of people haven't put videos up because it's just very busy this time of year, guys. So if you guys want worms, go to thegardenandwormlady.com. I'll put the link in the comments. And I also sell yarn in my Etsy shop, and I have it on my website also. So let me go get some worm chow and feed them. So I'm just going to add some to the surface. I'm going to go like that. I'm going to go get my African Nightcrawlers, and we're going to add them in here. So here they are. I went to my bin to grab some. And if you look closely, you see how they look kind of purple? It's like a luminescence that an African Nightcrawler releases. And there, you can see it right there. They're like a purple color. They are the most beautiful worms. But guys, they don't like the cold. So the cold weather will kill them. So I'm very careful with African Nightcrawlers. I don't like to keep them in here through the winter because one year I lost about 50% of them. It was awful. So I'm just going to put them on the surface like this, and we're going to let them go down. I spilled some castings over there. I gotta sweep everything up. But I'm loving this urban worm bag. So did you like the little time-lapse video I put in here? If you look closely, you can see the like luminescence that those African night crawlers have. They'll have like a purpley glow to them. So I hope you enjoyed that. Let me see what the temperature is in this wormery. So let's see. It is 70 degrees in here with a 60% humidity. So it's pretty good in here. And these are the rest of my bins. Yeah, I'm crazy about worms. But I am loving playing with this thing. And I just do. I love it. So I'm going to feed them again at the top. And then we're going to stop this video. So I know those African night crawlers are going to devour this and have a huge appetite. That's just how they are. Sometimes they're naughty children, but they behave for the most part for me. So anyway, guys, press that subscribe button, and I'll see you next time. Take care.